how to stop putting on weight. That's what we're exploring in this video. Welcome back to Mind Hacks TV. My name is Amanda, and in this video, I'm talking about how to stop putting on weight. If you're new here, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss any more videos. And if you stay until the end of this video, I'm gonna give you my free rewiring template to help you subconsciously start doing things that will help you stop putting on weight. One of the very first things that I would suggest looking into is to see if you have any parasitic, viral, or maybe even fungal infections that could be causing this continued weight gain. I'm not a doctor, so I'll let you research that on your own. The next thing to look at is the emotional aspects of weight. And really, that's my forte. A huge contributor to weight gain and carrying excess weight is emotional trauma. This could be from sexual abuse. It could be from traumas that have created some sort of pattern of not being able to receive love or feel accepted. If you find yourself turning to food as a comfort mechanism, I would highly encourage you to explore these emotions, and I break it down a little bit more in a video that I'll link to right above here. Let me know in the comments below which one of those emotions do you feel relates most to your situation. If you want a simple physical thing that you can do when you feel that emotional urge to eat coming on, is you can use this acupressure point right here to help regulate as it relates to blood sugar that is caused by emotion. Now, if you feel something really deep, addictive, type of uncontrollable urges, and you've ruled out the first things that I spoke about in this video, then you can look at these darker energies that could be affecting it. And this is a cute little thing that our subconscious minds do to protect us. If you want to learn more about that kind of stuff, I talk more about it in my Facebook group, which I will link to down below this video. So if you want to learn more about how to stop putting on weight and get to the root emotional cause of it, be sure to grab one of my free resources down in the description of this video and subscribe to this channel, because I share tips and tricks and information on how to energetically release weight and overcome other emotional struggles that are related to the weight loss journey. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.